Thomas is a tank engine who lives at a big station on the island of Sodor. He's a cheeky little engine with 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dome. He is the first engine to have a number. How did he become the star of the show? Thomas can be seen in many Railway series books. Many kids like him so much that he has become the most popular character, and that's how the TV show was officially named Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends, starring the main character, Thomas. Thomas can be sometimes cheeky, but he is good-hearted and generally behaves, except when he gets into a mishap. In the first 3 seasons of the television series, Thomas had red lining on the back of his bunker. However, since the second half of the 3rd season, it was later removed. A reason about this is unknown. Maybe because he was used when he gets into accidents and the red lining somehow rubbed off? I don't know. Hit Entertainment made a special 2015 film called The Adventure Begins that explained the events of how Thomas first arrived on Sodor. This is what his livery looked like when Thomas actually first arrived on Sodor. You see, he's in a green livery with white lining and then has the number 70. You're probably thinking, why would they do this? Well, that was actually based on the original Thomas model that Christopher Audrey had lost. So it's great for Hint Entertainment to do this, so. Speaking about The Adventure Begins, released in 2015, this year is the 100th year of Thomas's arrival on the Northwestern Railway, or the island of Sodor. Back then, the Reverend W. Audrey first created Thomas, which looked like this. That's something you should know. There's even a wooden railway merchandise of him, who was made to celebrate 70 years of the Railway series. Thomas is also known for his whistle. Due to the popularity of Thomas, his merchandise appeared in many train sets, multi-packs, etc. So overall, I think Thomas is a great character. And so guys, thank you for watching.